Welcome to this tutorial video on making a futures options trade on PersonalFinanceLab. Futures options trade just like stock options. Futures options are derivative contracts that give the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a futures contract at a predetermined price, strike price, on or before a certain date, expiration date. The underlying asset of a futures option is simply the futures contract itself. These options can be used for hedging, speculation, or arbitrage purposes. The buyer of a futures option can potentially profit if the futures price moves in the desired direction, while the seller, or the writer, of the option receives a premium and faces the obligation to fulfill the contract if the option is exercised. The most important thing to remember when trading futures options is to know the exact expiration date and the contract size. The expiration dates of futures options can vary, and some may expire before the underlying futures contract does. The contract size for the futures option is the same as the contract size for the underlying futures contract, so gold is for 100 ounces and oil is for 1,000 barrels. Go to Futures Options under the Stock Game menu. Start by choosing whether you want to buy or sell. Select Buy to go long or Sell when you want to close out a long position. From the Contract drop-down list, select the category, for instance, currencies or metals. For the futures contract you want to make an option trade. From the next drop-down list, select the specific product symbol. Depending on the contract you choose, there will be different expiration months and years available. An error message will pop up if the specific date has expired. There are some futures options contracts where the last trading date is in the month preceding the expiration month. So check out the Futures Option Expiration Calendar to know your contract's exact expiration date. After you specify the underlying futures, select whether you want to trade a call or a put option. A call option is the right to buy a futures at a certain price by a certain date. A put option is the right to sell a futures at a certain price by a certain date. The strike price is the price at which the option can be exercised. We show the strike prices that are near the price of the underlying futures. Click List All Prices to see a wider spectrum of prices available. Enter the quantity you'd like to buy. Keep in mind that with futures options, many of these options have very low volume, so make sure the one you select is actively traded. Once you have a strike price that has decent volume, click Preview to update your order to include commission costs. You will see the estimated cost or margin requirement. Take note of the last price listed in the quote. This price multiplied by the number of contracts and by the contract size determines the total value of the futures contract. Add any trade notes to explain your reasoning for making this trade. Then click Confirm to place your order. If you have any questions, click Contact Us to speak to a member of our team. Our help desk is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Outside of those hours, you can create a ticket that will receive updates directly to your messaging center on PersonalFinanceLab. Thanks for watching.